How to use Expedia app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Ben Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can use Expedia app. Now you can simply open up and log into Expedia and log in, right? Then here what you want to do is, if you head on the search bar at the bottom of your screen, you'll be able to see stays, flights, packages, cars and things to do. So if you want to book for stays, then you can tap on stays, or if you want to book particular flights, you can book flights. If you want packages, tap on packages, or cars, then cars, or things to do. If you tap on it, then you'll find various. You want to select destination here and you'll be able to see things to do in that particular destination. Now if you want to book stays, you can tap on stays. Then you can go ahead and search for a particular location that you're going to, and then you can select the dates that you'll be staying for. Like for suppose if you're staying for 1 day, a single tap, or if you're staying for 2 days, then 2 tap, or if you're staying from 10 to 14 suppose, then you can tap on 10 first and then tap on 14 here. So this way, then you can tap on done. You can see the date has been confirmed. Then you can tap on travelers and you can select travelers, whether 1, 2 adults, number of children, and age of theirs. So you can tap on done, then tap on search. It'll show you searched. Based on your search, it'll show available properties, bookings available. So what you can do is you can go ahead and check for it and select the purchase that you want to make, select the booking that you want to make, the reservations, and so you can go ahead and tap on that particular stay, that reservation or property, and select a room, select and customize, and then go ahead, and if you like it, you can go ahead and make the booking. Similarly, you can do so for the flight as well. You can tap on flight and search for it, and similar other ways. Now once you have booked it, if you head over to trips, you'll be able to find your trips. If not, you can search it using your itinerary number. So if you head into account, you'll be able to see points which you'll get with the rewards activity. Now you can use the points during the payment on the checkout page. So you'll get the use my points option as well. You'll be able to see and edit your details from profile. You can see communications, payment methods. You can view saved payment methods, edit your payment methods from here. You can see coupons, tap on coupons. You'll be able to add your coupons here and use available coupons as well. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.